Hello everyone, welcome to CKA Lab 17. Let's look at the requirements. I'm in the wrong tab here. Yeah, let's look at the requirements. We're going to create a Daemonset, and because kubectl does not let you create a Daemonset from the command line. So for example, if I say let's create ds, it doesn't like that at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a deployment and modify the YAML to turn it into a Daemonset. And one hint that there are going to be errors, and we're going to fix the errors each error one at a time. And to do that, we will probably take the errors and split into one per line, so it's easier for us to fix one by one. All right, so let's create the first YAML. They give you that already. So now cat a.yaml. So this is the deployment YAML. We're going to change that to a Daemonset. Daemon. I don't know if it's capital or not. Let's see. Daemonset. Let's see what that does. So first of all, we're going to pretend everything is great, no problem. Of course, there are going to be problems. So apply -f a.yaml. First complaint. Daemonset. I think it's small case. There's D. All right, that was the first problem. Now, Kevin Daemonset, no Kevin Daemonset. That's weird. Okay, let's look at what it should be called. Daemonset. Okay, Daemonset. And what is it called? Oh, capital D and capital S. All right, fair enough. Capital D, capital S. Let's see what that does. Okay, now we have errors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, modify these errors, put them in a file. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay, fine. So what we'll do is we will grab this as is, get into a file, and I'm going to split them, because if I split them, you will see that's easier. Error validating data. So that's the first one. That's our first problem. Unknown field replica set, replicas in this. That will make it easier to fix one at a time. That's our second problem. That's our third problem. That's our fourth problem. Fifth problem. And sixth problem. And we don't care about that little part. Okay, so these are the errors we have to fix. The first one is it doesn't like the replicas. Okay, we will take that out. Let's take that out. Try again. Okay, so next one. It doesn't like strategy. We'll take that out. And let's see, the next one, strategy. Third one is in the status field, there are 4 things it's expecting. Now, remember, the status comes from a running thing. You shouldn't have to put anything in status to create something. So what we can do is we can actually take out the status one. And let's see if that does anything for us. Nope, not VI. It's going to do that. And voila, get ds. You see, the Daemonset is created. So again, what we did was we made a deployment YAML, changed it, fixed all the errors, and that's how we got it. So that was Lab 17. I will see you in Lab 18.